Today we're cooking up some bacon buttermilk meatloaf at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, for this recipe, you're going to need some ground pork and some ground beef. For your Vegematic friends, you're going to need some diced carrots. Here we've got some diced peppered ham, or use a good baked ham, diced, whatever. Here we've got some diced sautéed onions. Ooh, this is getting interesting. Now you're going to need to season it with some salt and, of course, some fresh ground black peppercorn. All right, to make it look pretty, we got some diced parsley. Drop that in there. Here we've got a couple cloves of minced garlic, and we've got some sriracha hot sauce there. And here we've got a half a cup of buttermilk. And to this, we've got a couple of beaten eggs to act as a binder. And here is some breadcrumb, or we're using panko. Now, you all know about making meatloaves, right? Everybody makes a meatloaf. Except this meatloaf, I'm telling you what, your girlfriend's not going to go home. Now, let's line a pan, right? And it's often called a meatloaf pan, so use your meatloaf pan. And here we've got some pork belly bacon. Some of you Europeans call it streaky bacon. This is pork belly, really the only bacon that can be qualified as bacon. Now, you just fancy up that pan a little bit, line it good with your pork belly bacon. And now, of course, add your meatloaf mix. Are you kidding me? Now, if you've never had bacon buttermilk meatloaf before, you definitely got to check it out. Invite your boss over. You're going to get that raise or promotion. And by the way, subscribe to us on the tube. Follow us on the face. We appreciate your support. All right. Look at that. It's a work of art. Whoa. Almost nothing more to say, right? Now we'll take a few more slices and we'll layer it on top. Lord have mercy. Now, like I said, whatever you want, you're going to get from this meatloaf. Oh, man. All right. Now, the next step, what we want to do is flip the pan. We want to take the bottom side, the pretty side, and bring it to the top. Perfect. Oh, man. Now, the final step for preparation, we want to make a glaze. So we've got ketchup. We've got a little more hot sauce, right? Here we've got some brown sugar to sweeten it up. And we've got some Worcestershire sauce. Again, we're creating a layer of flavor on this meatloaf, right? We got a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Give it a little mix, and you also want to heat it up just to bring all those flavors together, right? And like an artist on a canvas, you paint it on this meatloaf. Oh, are you kidding? Now we'll put it in the grill. Add that smoky flavor, indirect, opposite the hot coals, and use it as a, whoop, guard dog alert. Go get him, girl. All right, about halfway through this, we're just going to turn it around. You may not have to in your grill. Paint a little bit more of that glaze on top. And in the miracle of time, we brought the internal temperature up to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You convert it to Celsius. And take a look at that. Ooh-wee. We're eating good tonight, Martha. All right. Now, this is the part where the pit master's going to eat in front of you. So let's take a look and see what it's like inside. This was all about. Oh. Take a look at that. Man. Now, to get the ingredients, the exact recipe, head on over to our website. You can print it out. But in the meantime, it's good. Whoa. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.